Hello, this is just a video recording on my experiments on using SeeTest tool for mobile automation. This is how the SeeTest automation UI looks like. You've got an online manual in their website. Go to SeeTest automation. And take the online guide. So here you have the overview on how things work here. So as they say, you have to connect your device, you have to prepare the application, you have to record it, and then make it changes. You can play it back. You get a report, and then finally you can run it in any of the third-party frameworks that they support. So here, what I did was I connected my phone, an Android device. I prepared an application. I recorded some actions, made some changes. I played it back. I got the report. I copied the code, which is in C# into Visual Studio, and I ran it back as a coded UI test. So the first step is to connect the device. It didn't work the first time for me because you need to enable a USB debugging. Now, to enable USB debugging, if it's an Android device, it's not quite straightforward. What I had to do was connect to go to my settings. I needed to then go to this tab called About Device, and there is something called as a bill number, and then you have to basically tap on the bill number 7 times, and if you completed the 7th tap, a developer's option will be enabled in your settings. Okay, then you go to the developer's option, and then you have to enable the USB debugging, and then after you enable it will prompt a message. You just have to give an OK. So that will basically connect your device, and then you have to enable a USB tethering. Then what you have to do is to prepare an application. So for that, what you do is so I'll show you how you add a device. You click on Android, so it gives you an option to add these kinds in all these formats. I choose an Android. If the phone is connected, it will automatically pop up with the required details here. So here it shows that I have previously added my device. Here it's shown the status is offline, so I see whether I can connect my device right now, and it should work. Okay, so you can see that the status has changed to ready. If you want to add another device, you will have to remove this. So I've enabled a USB tethering. Okay, now so your device is connected. The second thing is to start recording it. Now to record, we need to select the device that's required. So this is the device I'll be selecting, and here are different applications. It's there, the login activity and the web view activity. what default things that were there in this tool. So but these applications were not installed in my phone, so you have an option to import an application from your phone. So for that to happen, you first need to install JDK, I think a version 6 or above, and then there's an option here to import. Let me see which one that is. Yeah, install an application, I believe. No, this is import sign application. So if you click on that, then it asks you whether it should import from a local disk or from an Android device. If you select from Android device, then it will basically load all the applications that you have in your phone. So I chose it to be Glassdoor. So the Glassdoor, the app has been instrumented right now, or its properties have been exposed. So it is currently ready for recording. So what you do is, as we have selected this particular application, you don't have to launch it manually, it will be launched automatically. Now before that, I think you have different types of recording here. One is an image recording, there's setting recording, web recording, and there's a dynamic recording here. So I'm not really sure. I think these are basically capture mechanisms. I'm not really sure about that. I do know that that SeeTest, it captures the controls via multiple methods, like from the native properties, from the image capture. The manual says to choose dynamic recording, so that basically it does not limit your tool from recording in a particular way. I think it uses its intelligence, the tool's intelligence, to capture the controls in all possible ways. So that's what you do. So for that, you need to first create a new test. Click on Start Record. Now here you have. So I've chosen the application as Glassdoor. So I am starting. So when you start, they prepare. It is preparing for recording, and takes about a couple of minutes for this to happen. Status has been opened now. You can see it here. So yeah, so you have a phone's a view right here. So what I'll do is I'll perform some actions that will be recorded here. So the first thing I do is I give this as new basic. I take the companies, I'm clicking on the companies tab. Then I click on search. So basically this not a problem. This is I do not want to capture this, so we'll have to remove this. So anyway, so here a new desk comes. I'm clicking on new desk. So the page, the new desk has come. So these are the actions that I basically want to capture. So I click on stop, so it will add all the code that's there. Here, not here, yeah, this is what this pertains to the property wherein we don't want that particular action to be recorded. So I basically delete the step here. This one also I'm deleting. Now let's see if we can play it back. Oh, for some reason the device has gone offline, so we will just have to reconnect it again, probably. Just injecting it. I'm closing this. Let me see if I can inject it. Nope, the interface is still open. So I had to reconnect the device here. So let's see again whether I'm able to play it back right now. So I'll be playing it back. Same application. Now I found that sometimes the interface is a bit slow, as in what is happening on my phone and what I can see in the screen. There is a slight delay. I'm not sure why that's happening. You can see that it will enter geodesic in the job title or keyword, and then it has to go to the companies tab. Clicks on companies tab, clicks on search, and a geodesic is come. Now it has to click on geodesic, and it has clicked on geodesic. So you can see this is the final thing. So that's worked. Now you can see that you have now what is really cool about this is that you have the object spy tool here. So with the help of the object spy tool, you can basically find out the properties of the different controls that we have. So for instance, click on this, you can see all the different properties, and if you have to need the properties of one particular you can just click on that and you will get it. So you can see the ID is this one, the text is geodesic, so you get to know the properties, so you can do that with everything. Now after this you have something like a code tab here. Here you have an option to generate the code in the required format. Here I've chosen C# MS test because I want to run it as a part of my code UI test, and here is the project that I've made. I just had to copy paste that the particular code and paste it in my solution. Apart from that, one additional thing that you have to do is to add a couple of references. Now these references are available. The tool, we just have to add both these references, Cook Computing and Image Client, and after you're done that, you basically are ready to go. So if you look at the code here, it's pretty straightforward. It launches the Glassdoor app. It is searching. Now here you can see I have commented the code. Here it is searching for a text box which has a hint as job title or keyword. Now I just try to change it, and I want to search it by the ID. So I just copy. I just wrote it myself, and this is what I have. I'm searching it by the ID, which is search key. Then you can see it waits for 30,000 milliseconds. I mean, that's like a wait for element that it has, and then it clicks on companies or on the tab. Then I've added an additional sleep here. I've just added the sleep because otherwise screens were going too quickly, so I added a 5-second sleep, and I then click on search, again a 5-second sleep, and then it waits for new desktop to come for another 30,000 milliseconds. That's a dynamic wait, so if the element comes up before that, it will go and click on it. So that's pretty much the code, and I can give you a playback of the code. It should work. For that, this is the test method that we have called select new desk. I click on run select methods. See the Glassdoor has been launched, and we'll search for new desk. So the convenience of this is that we can run it as a part of a coded UI test, and which in other words mean that we can use Visual Studio testing, and that's really wonderful. And it's got pretty good object spy. So we can find out different methods to search the control by. So you can see it's passed. The screen has not yet updated yet, but then it's passed. So this is what I have for now. Probably I'll come out with a